Hello everyone, welcome to Techavro. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to ask ChatGPT for Pinterest pin ideas. Before starting the video, please subscribe to Techavro. So let's get started. For this, you have to open your browser and search for ChatGPT. Here you can see introducing ChatGPT. Press on this. Now press on Try ChatGPT. Here, to ask ChatGPT for Pinterest pin ideas, you can structure your query with clear instructions on the type of pins you're looking for. So now I'm gonna guide with some points along with example prompt. You just have to follow the rules, tips and tricks. So let's go. Number 1. Define the topic or niche. Example prompt: I need Pinterest pin ideas for a blog about self-care. Let's search the answer. Here it is. Be specific about the subject or category of Pinterest pins you are interested in. Number 2. Indicate the style or tone. Example prompt: create motivational Pinterest pins with minimalist design. Here you have to mention the tone or style of pins you are looking for. Here is your answer. Number 3. Mention the goal of the pins. Example prompt: I want Pinterest pins that will encourage people to click through to my blog. Here you have to specify what action you want the pin to encourage. You'll get a best result from here. Number 4. Include keywords or hashtags. Example: suggest Pinterest pin ideas with keywords like self-care tips and mental health awareness. Let's wait for the answer. Here is your answer. If you want your pins to be optimized for search, mention any relevant keywords or hashtags. So by including these details, ChatGPT will be able to generate highly relevant and tailored Pinterest pin ideas for your needs. So this is how to ask ChatGPT for Pinterest pin ideas. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.